Hey, I just want to do a quick video showing how to get the, I'll call it the center stereo dash cover off. So, I just had to take off some screws here. I believe I took one of them off earlier to take like the dash or the glove box off, but I probably put it back into cover anyways. As you can see, you just need to remove screws from that corner there, and then over here, where did I see one? If you haven't already taken it out, there'll be a screw in there. You can see where it goes in the back there. And I believe those are the only screws well, there's this one down here. And there might be one on the other corner. Down there, there's a screw right there. So it looks like about 4. And that's assuming you already took off the bottom piece. So, after you take those off, let me get it better. You gently pry these out, and there's a lot of these little clips right here, and they're just scattered throughout. I see another one there. So, and like, I don't see one behind there, but it feels like, it looks like there may have been one there. And I already kind of pried this out. I just figured I'd make a quick video. So, this stereo, I don't think somebody put it in incorrect, so it's not normally, I believe, hooked to this. I gotta figure, that's part of the reason why I'm taking this out. I gotta figure out what the heck somebody did to this stereo. But I did like gently grab and kind of squeeze here and pop these out. Just work my way around it. It looks like the whole thing's pretty much loose and ready to come out now. Just have my stereo connectors there. So that's basically just what I wanted to show you there. Just look around, remove the corner screws, and then it'll take a little bit of effort to get these to release, but then they'll release, and then you can just take this whole piece off. So I believe, I can't really tell, but I think there's supposed to be a metal plate back there. Then the stereo should have stayed in with it, but like I said, somebody else did a really bad stereo job on this, and I'm gonna try to fix it up. Anyway, so I hope this video helps somebody out there. If it helped you out, maybe give me a thumbs up, and if you subscribe, you'll see more videos as they come out. Thank you for watching.